Bam, no dummy, but far from a scholar. Just motivated by money, so you know I'm chasing dollars. Need more polo collars, fat crib to smash that nana, and a Jag fuck a Mazda. Plus my mama need a casa. Till I get it, I'm a little vexed like Oscar the Grouch. Need them checks, so I got my ass up off of that couch. And it seemed like shit getting worse. No more silence, just sirens and helicopters. Shit getting hot, so I'm watching out for the coppers. Trees in that FC stash spot, ain't trying to get my ass got. Can't be doing stupid shit, I gotta spit that stupid sick. No measles, I shit on these beats like a fucking seagull. Thinking the Europeans ain't thinking of a regal. I do it for my people, in the root of all evil. Living for the loot, trying to get twos on the coupe. Had to quit who, cause I got more faith in spitting this truth. Been doing this, man, it ain't nothing new. Remember when I was younger, used to bust rats for the crew. Hella lit, now this rapping shit, that's all that I do. Screaming dope, they writing soap, man, these niggas ain't like I flow retro, you know, nigga, no tie-dye. Staying real high like the hippies in tie-dye. Cherry eye, bam, just living that high life. FCOE, I'm living that fly life. Swisher full of Buddha, cause it keep my mind right. Make these beats taste something like a Klondike. Got that coke waiting till the time right. Audio dope, they ain't got shit on my white. Rapping cause I'm asking for this money to be my wife. See how this reefer got my mind right. Tell my sister I'll be alright. Just let me do my thing. I know you and mama worried, but no need for the pain. Just know your kid ain't finna bring you no shame. Just know your kid ain't finna bring you no shame.